teacher. My name is Melanie Murillo and my partner is
Jamie Yuka.
we're group 18 and we are going to talk about
Question and answer. Finally, exam.
Hi Amy, it's so nice to see you again. I was thinking about some interesting questions we could discuss today. For example, how do culture change over time?
Hello, Melanie. That's a great question. Culture over time. It's on Friday or consigns and ways. Ideas, technologies, mention interaction with outside factors. For instance, the internet and social media have reinforced peaceful interest and tradition. In Ecuador, was peaceful now celebrate Halloween, which was not common before because of now celebrate greater topics and international commons. The globalization has also allowed people to learn about from the different countries how sushi or fish and adults into their daily life, policies casual values and behavior after being to see these algorithms or other essays to help a casual make dynamic relevant.
Yes, I do agree. And another question I'm from interested is when do you think about people should use free name which includes other?
People should prefer name when it have free information or familiar relaxation for enhance information usually in other familiar by their names and to whether of the same responded to see same easy read at once. It must university professors things invite students to use it for an estimate communication there but running after information in family research fair needs always would be say learner and affection. However, it is important to consider and convert and receive preference on the other person if one is ill about affection or sorry. Melanie, let me ask you something. What should we do times and last name?
Time environment should be used in formal situations, especially when meeting someone for the first time or speaking to people in position of authority. For example, in hospital we say doctor prayers or nurse comes to show respect for their profession. Right. In school, a student often address teacher as Professor Garcia, inside or sitting their first name. At office event shows a conference or ceremony. It is common to use either Mr. or Miss or others. This demonstrates quality and professional. When relationships become more family, people decide to treat the first name, but the initial use of that help establish respect.
That's amazing. And finally, Melanie, how was doing day?
My day was productive and enjoyable. I spent time studying of my module exam. I completed an assignment in the laboratory. I also had the opportunity to talk with my classmates about about culture difference, which help my practice English and learn its perspective. During the day, I manage my responsibility. I also talking rest to stay focused and energetic. For example, I went for a short walk and listened to music to relax. After the way of change, like preparing a difficult presentation, I feel satisfied because my God, over it was possibility there that allowed me to learn and grow academically and personally. I really enjoy our conversation here. Talking about culture, names, and respect, and communication help and understand people better.
Yes, Melanie. I agree. This was a great case for abilities. Talk at night, leaving, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care.